Hi children, today we are going to learn the lesson about a safety and first aid of term 2 lesson 3. So safety, first we have to take the precautions. Okay, what is a safety means? We have to be very careful. Safety first. Okay, now newspapers carry a news of accident almost every day. Okay, so in newspaper every day we are seeing the accidents. Accidents cause harm to life and property. They cause a pain and suffering. Accidents can be avoided if we follow safety rules at home, at school, on the playground, and on the roads. So, in the school, okay, while we are playing the games, okay, while we are riding the bike on the road, okay, na children, and while we are cooking, okay, while we are playing, so each and everywhere, if we are careful, okay, if we follow the safety rules, then we can avoid these accidents. Okay, now injuries at home are mostly caused by slipping on the floor. At home, what happens? Okay, here we can see the boys playing with the toys. For example, you are playing at home. Then what happen? The floor will slip. Yes or not? Next, burns, electric shocks, and chemical poisoning. So burns, while mother is cooking, you can go there. Okay, while we're switching the switch or plug. Okay, so these all happens at home mostly. And make your home a safe place. Being aware and alert will go a long way in keeping you safe. So if we are very careful, we can go a long life. Safety at home. Slipping on the floor. Now I said a person can slip and fall on a wet floor, trip over skated toys, or stumble down the stairs. To avoid such accidents, for example, a children is slipping on the floor, okay, a trip or skated with the toys, okay, while playing on the stage. So we can avoid these type of things. Keep the floor at home clean and dry. Okay, the floor should be very clean and dry. Take care that the bathroom and the kitchen floors are not slippery. So if we are having the smooth surface, so while we are walking, the friction, okay, while we are walking to our leg and the floor, there should be a friction between them. Okay, do not leave your toys and other things laying on the floor. Okay, while you are playing, what you have to do? After playing with your toys, you have to keep at a safe place those. If you left there, anyone can come. Okay, if they wear the leg on the toys, what happens? It will run. Yes or not? Then also it causes accident. So you should not leave your toys on the floor. And next, use a step ladder or a stool to reach something placed high. So here in the we can see the girl is catching some medicines here. So at this type of time you should have a ladder, okay, to take that. Burns. Accidents due to a fire in the kitchen can cause serious injury or even death. As or not, if in the kitchen while you are cooking, you should be very careful. If you are not careful or lazy, it is what happens, it causes injuries. To avoid such accidents, one must not wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. Such clothes catch fire easily. That means a synthetic means it is very soft. When not in use, the gas stoves must be turned off. So at the gas stove we have the switch, we should have to turn that. They must be checked regularly to avoid leakages. So we have a pipe for that. Okay, the pipe is proper or not, the gas is leaking or not, we have to check while we are using. Next, electric shocks. Electrical appliances make our work easy. They should be handled carefully. Do not touch electrical fittings with wet hands. So, while you are switching the plugs, your hand should be very wet. Okay, you may get an electric shock if your hands are wet. Okay, the hand should be very dry. Do not go too close to table fans or heaters if they are on. Okay, you should not go to fans and also heaters. We are keeping the water now for us. If someone gets an electric shock or sees a spark, the main switch or the MCB, that means miniature circuit breaker, must be turned off immediately. So if we go to the main switch, we have to off that. Okay. Next, poisoning. Accidental consumption of chemicals and medicines can be cause poisoning. Poisonous chemicals should be properly labeled and kept away from eatables. Do not take any medicine without asking an adult. So when we are taking the medicine, we have to see the date first. It is okay. It is we can wear or not, we can take or not. If it is expired, we should not. We should keep away from that. Okay, and we have to ask our adults. Okay, while we are taking the medicine. Okay, it is a safety thing. Safety at school. In schools, accidents can happen when children run and push each other to avoid such accidents. So, at school, sometimes happens this. If the children are running, do not rush up or down the stage. You may fall and hurt yourself and others. Do not climb on desks and chairs or throw things around. So, in classes, more happens what? They'll jump on the benches, chairs. So, you should not do like that. Okay, while you are going, don't run. If you run, the before and after you, they will fall. Yes or not? And don't climb on the desk. It are the safety things to do at school. And safety on the playground and in the swimming pool. Follow the rules of the game while playing. Wait for your turn at rides.